Go to CLO3D, open the platform in your browser. Get the link from the description. CLO3D is a free real-time AI image and video generator. It leverages deep learning models to generate high-quality visuals in real time. Unlike traditional AI art tools, CLO3D is designed for speed and customization, making it perfect for graphic designers, content creators, and social media marketers. CLO3D offers a range of subscription plans to cater to different user needs. Let's see how it works. Select Enhancer. Log in from your Google account to use free option. On the Enhancement tool page, you can either drag and drop your image into the designated area or click the plus icon to select an image from your device. On the side panel, select your desired upscale factor, 2x, 4x or 8x. Note that higher upscale options may require a subscription plan. 1x is free option, I'll select that. You can change the description if you want. It is auto-generated. I'll keep everything as it is. After selecting the upscale factor, click the Enhance button. The system will process your request, which may take a few moments. While the image is being processed, you can explore options on the right side panel. Review the enhanced image. If satisfied, download it to your device. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more CLO3D content. Let me know in the comments what would you create with CLO3D.